Hello everybody, welcome back to Terraria Overhaul, and there's zombies attacking me. Alright, so as you can see, we are not in our usual humble abode. Right now we are at the left side of the world, ready to fight a certain boss, and that certain boss would be the Queen Jellyfish with the Jellyfish Resonator. We're going to be doing that. We're going to be doing 3 bosses. And then afterwards, we're going to be doing, I think, the Queen Bee, because I really want the bee armor. Because obviously it is a summon armor, so I would really appreciate that one. So, but we're going to be doing 3 bosses today. We're going to be doing the Jellyfish, the Queen Jellyfish, the Mecha Stone Golem, which I'm really excited about because I've never fought the boss. So it'll be really interesting. And we're also going to be doing Viscount, or as I like to call it, the ripoff Count Dracula. So we're gonna be doing that, which should be fun. I ended up, while I was grinding out in between episodes, I ended up getting a bunch of Hellstone, and I'm just gonna keep throwing stuff away. A bunch of Hellstone, and I got myself the Hellwing Staff, the Imp Staff. Also ended up killing the Eye of Cthulhu for some money and got a mythical Deathstare Rod, which was really awesome. And got a bunch of upgrades for my weapons. I also, last time, as you remember, we did the Goblin Army, and we got the Goblin Tinker unlocked. So I spent some time looking for him. Finally found him. He was about to be jumping into lava, which was a very interesting thing to see. But I ended up buying his Tinker's Workshop, as well as the Rocket Boots, and now have Lightning Boots, which is awesome, and a bunch of different accessories. So that being said, right now we're just waiting for daytime to come about so we can do the Queen Jellyfish. We might just do the Resonator, or not the Resonator, the I was thinking about the Stone, the Mecha Stone Golem over here. But I would like to do it in my my area. That way I have all the healing things, all the items that I need. It's somewhat daytime right now. So we're gonna, yeah. All right. So Queen Jellyfish. Let's get her going. Okay, God, okay, some fell out of that aquatic abomination. The aquatic deaths bubbled beneath the ocean surface. What? Alright, well, I almost died there. Alright. Stone Sundus. Huh? How do I kill it? How do I summon it, first of all? No, that's the acid rain event. There we go. Spawns anywhere at nighttime using this. Nighttime, seriously? well, I guess we're gonna be waiting a little bit. I mean, that's fine. We'll wait. We'll wait it out. All right, and we are back. And we are about to do the make a stone golem. Let's see how this goes. I've never done this boss, so hopefully it's gonna be fun. But well, hopefully I don't die. If anything, we'll just do it again later, and yeah. All right, here we go. Well, it seems like the Make a Stone Golem is a little hard to beat. We're gonna do, since I don't have really good minion armor, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go to the jungle biome, and we're gonna go ahead and do the queen bee, because that seems a lot easier than that. Oh. And we're back. We finally found it. That was legit. If I'm being truthful here, it's been a minute. So let me just clear my inventory real quick, because this jungle has been generous, but it's also been mean. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here. All right. Boom, boom. I'm not even gonna make a thing. I just want to get this over with. Like, seriously, I just want to get this over with. No! Ah. Well, I'm definitely doing something wrong. let's give me a little bit, and I will finish off. I'm gonna just try and get some I'm gonna try and get some resources, try and get some more stuff, and see what I can do with that. Okay, to give you a little recap of what happened in between, I had just found this beehive that was very much closer to the surface than the last one. I had just gotten some jungle armor, so I had a little bit more defense, but that's pretty much it. And I still die, but it's okay. You guys get to enjoy the fight. But yeah. Oh, lordy lord. Oh. Alright. Step number 2 is definitely going well. Alright. We're gonna do this one more time because I know I can beat him. I know I can beat the queen bee. We're gonna do it one more time. And we're gonna see how that goes. I'm just gonna grab a couple potions to make sure I have enough. And yeah. I will not accept defeat from the queen bee. Nope, that's not happening, not today, not ever. I'll see you guys back at the jungle. Oh lord. Alright, we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead, iron skin, that, thorns potion, no sashimi, Let's go. No! I had it. I had it in the bag. Straight damage, so we're just gonna switch that. Oh, what the? Now, you may be asking yourself, hey Kit, why were you so scared? Bees do this normally. Yes, that is correct. I looked it up. On expert mode they do. But on the classic world, they don't do that. They don't run after you whenever you teleport back. I tested it out. And I promise you, that bee did not follow. That being said, that was the jump scare of a lifetime. And enough jump scares for me. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video, because I know I was a little baffled after this. Oh, hold on, I need a minute from that. Oh, oh, my heart is racing. I didn't know she could follow you. I didn't know she could follow you. Holy mother of... I could not take that any... No, I can't. She chased me all the way to base, got mad, and then started smacking me around like a basketball. Okay, and we're back. Oh, I'm still recovering from that last fight. That very much took me by surprise. But killing the queen bee gave us the one of the new NPCs, and he sells life fruit. So with the bunch of platinum that I was saving up, I bought a couple, so I have some extra healing stuff, and I'm definitely going to go and get the pygmy necklace that he sells to get an extra slot, minion slot. So alright, let me just take these potions and we'll go ahead and get started. Hopefully this one's gonna be a lot easier though. Alright. Okay. That is queen bee done. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and head back, and I'm gonna pretend like that never happened. I will be grabbing this nimble bee gun because nimble bee gun is good, and I'm gonna stick with only the imps for now because the on fire definitely helps quite a bit. We're gonna try the mecha golem again to see if we can beat it. If we can't, then that sucks for me. I'm gonna be doing some grinding afterwards. Alright buddy, we're back. Blood moon is rising, but that's not gonna stop us. We're gonna go ahead and do the mecha stone golem. We're just gonna take all these potions real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Summon him up. Alright, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Oh wow, that was a lot easier than before. Definitely, the whole transforming me into a stone statue was new, and I honestly didn't know what to do about it. I was like, I'm like, if you could hear me, I was clicking, and I was clicking the jump button trying to get out of the situation. But yeah, I'm gonna deal with this real quick. Deal with the blood moon real quick. I'm gonna check on my NPCs too. I want to see what they sell when it's in a blood moon. It's blood moon time. So yeah, I will bring you guys back once blood moon is done, and we'll go ahead and go and do viscount, and that should be it for today. But yeah, I'll see you after the blood moon. Alright, and we're back. So, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly grab a bunch of this and throw it out. That's cool. Collects all 12 for a powerful accessory. Okay. Found the chest and key. Now you can sell this for a good price to keep in the collection. That's cool. Who's the old man? Who are you? Check Grimoire. Okay. So I can get Grimoires. I'm gonna play with this later. I'm gonna play with that later. Right now, our main mission is to go and fight Viscount. So let's go ahead and go down to fight Viscount. So, that being said, I'll see you guys there. Alright, and we are here. Let's go ahead and do that. Boom. Alright, Viscount, the Vampire Lord. Alright, almost forgot. Boom. Let's go ahead and summon the dude. Whoa. Whoa. Heal. Heal, sir. Heal. We're gonna go ahead and do it again. Okay, and that is the second viscount down. Come on, give me it. I'm gonna be doing that later. Alright, so. Alright, but that was pretty much everything I wanted to do. We killed a bunch of bosses today, and we had quite a bit of fun. We got a bunch of scares today, too. Alright. It'd be greatly appreciated if you leave a comment. Like and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.